Good day, Ma'am MJ. So my name is VJ Idrano Seyman, BSIT 3. So this is my presentation in your activity, semifinal activity 3, Python Django, which this the continuation in your previous activity, which is the continue the students attendance system. Like the add-ons is to add, update, and delete functionality and apply to the template. So this is the output of your activity, which is I have here the student attendance system. Then um, if so ID, name, course, year, actions as is shown. So if we try to add students, so like I add Adrian, then student ID C23 08796, then the course is BSCS BSCS, then year level is say 4th year. Then if we add, then automatically it stores in the student attendance system. So if we try to update or edit it, so let's say the year level is 3, then if we update, then automatically it stores in our attendance system, then it's the year is 3. Then if we try to input a delete, then are you sure you want to delete, Adrian? Then if we click is delete, then automatically it shows delete. So this is the code of that one. So as it's shown the HTML, this is some samples of my templates. So we have here doc type HTML, student attendance system, then student attendance system, then we have here the div class container, add button, href, URL, add students, then we have here the table, then so on and so forth. And we have also here the update students, then we have here the form method post, then here is one, then ID input, then so on and so forth. And so let's talk about the we have here the URLs. I mean the views.py. So we have here the main source of code, which we are about to restore those data that we input in the output. So we have here the from Django shortcuts, import, rendered, redirect, get object, or 404. Then from models, import student. So in this case, it imports students model to access our database. Then we have here a lot of functions that we use. We have here the def student list request. Then it's a function that show all students. Then students is equals to student dot objects dot all. This function, this line of code is to get all students from database. This one. Then return render students, then slash student list HTML. So in this case, to render the HTML templates in the students list.html, and also to pass the student data. So let's move in the def add students request. So if request method post, then automatically check if na-submit na ba ang form. Then student object create, then to create new student database using the data form, using the data that from the form. So we have here this stuff. So the third one is the def update request ID. So same thing with this add student, then also the update to store those data that we input, then delete students. For the last functions, we have here the delete students. Then as we move forward to the URLs, so we have here the from Django URLs import path. So in this case is to import the functions to define the URLs. Then from import views, then import the views.py to access those functions. Then we have here the URL patterns. So path views, then that student list name, student list is to call. So in this case is to call the student list functions. Then we have here path view the add student is to call the add student function. Then we have here the path update views that update student is to so this means to get the functions from those students that were identified. Then pass delete, then so this case to identify if kinsa ang mga na-delete yung mga students. And that's all for today's ma'am. Thank you.